Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the Mike Bass's Weather Forecast channel. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there. I know I did. I had a wonderful Thursday today. I hope everybody's staying safe and well and enjoying the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the satellite loop, what's happening around the lower 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation as well. Also the watch and warning advisory map, and also take a look at the forecast chart for your Friday and Saturday. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Love to have you. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get on into the forecast now. We're taking a look at the lower 48 here, satellite loop. This is what's happening around the United States as of March 23rd, 2023. Alright, we've got quiet conditions across the southeastern United States. We got a little storm system moving through the middle portion of the country, all the way into portion of the northeastern United States and exiting on over toward Nova Scotia. Also, we have another little system coming in over the upper Midwest, coming into Washington State and Oregon. That will continue to move southeast and drop into portions of Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, and Montana, and then over into Colorado also as well. Then it will move to the United States and then move on off to the northeast, dragging another cold front through a little bit later in the forecast period. This little front here, which you see here draped through the middle portion of the country, will slowly drop to the southeast. It will stall along the Carolina coast down into the Gulf of Mexico. Weather pattern all the way from Saturday all the way into next Wednesday across the southeastern United States. It will not rain every day, but it will be an off and on weather, off and on here across the lower 48. We got it in motion. We got mixed precipitation over Canada, snow flying there, mixed precipitation there also in Canada as well. We got showers extending in central and southern Maine, all the way back down through New York State, all the way back down into portion of the Ohio River Valley, all the way back down into the Central Plains, and all the way back down into central Texas. Also, we have more showers and mixed snow showers flying over here in the western portion of the United States, from New Mexico all the way back to Washington State, all the way down into California, and also down into Arizona as well. We have some snow showers also flying around over in Alaska, southern Alaska as well, and also we have some showers and maybe some thunderstorms flying around over in Hawaii. If anybody in that area watches my weather, you got some shower and thunderstorm in that vicinity as well. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warning, advisory maps across the lower 48 here. We're looking at that. There's that, what you seen on the radar here. There's that 2 counties of winter weather advisory for northern Maine. Plus, we have some fog advisories also for portions of Maine as well. Here's a big chunk of real estate of flash flood watches in effect from a portion of West Virginia through Ohio all the way back into Missouri and also northern Arkansas. We got a severe thunderstorm watch in the pink area here. We got a few flash flood warnings in effect for this area here in the darker red. Some severe thunderstorm warnings, also pop warnings over southwest Texas and southeast Mexico. And also we have more winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings in effect over here. Winter storm watches, also some hydro issues in Montana. Also we have winter, like I said, we have winter weather advisory and winter storm warnings and stuff in California, Utah. Utah over here. Also in Colorado, and also Oregon and Washington State, Idaho, and also a portion of Montana and Wyoming. And finally, we're going to wrap it up with the forecast charts. Here's a look at the forecast chart for your Friday. Like I said, we're expecting quiet conditions across the northeast. Mixed precipitation extending from New York State all the way back into Iowa. Maybe some pockets of freezing rain over portions of New York State and also Michigan. Shower and thunderstorm over a big chunk of real estate here from near Missouri to Kansas, all the way down into Dallas, Texas, all the way down towards Houston, Texas, there towards Jackson, Mississippi, and also Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia, maybe around the Greenville, Spartanburg, South Carolina, and over toward Roanoke, Virginia, and also areas in between. Have some flash flooding possible in the red slashed area. Severe weather expected in the yellow slashed area. We got snow and mixed precipitation extending from near Texas all the way back over to Washington State, also over to Montana, and also into Arizona, and also extending down from Vancouver, Canada, back down into northern California and portion of California and central California as well. Alright, now let's take a look at your Saturday forecast, made March 25th. A big real estate of winter storm conditions expected with snow flying from Wisconsin all the way to Montreal, Canada, over towards northern Maine. Also winter weather condition and freezing rain expected from New Hampshire all the way down to portions of New Hampshire, also northern PA, all the way back into Michigan, and also southeast Iowa, and also northern Illinois. Shower and thunderstorms extended from central Illinois all the way back down through Tennessee, eastern Tennessee that is, down into the Gulf of Mexico, and also near the Louisiana area, all the way down through Atlanta, Georgia, Albany, Georgia, Columbia, South Carolina, up toward Raleigh, North Carolina, Roanoke, Virginia, surrounding vicinities as well. Also, we have quiet conditions from North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota, and a portion of Iowa and Missouri, back down into Dallas, Texas. Quiet. Also, we have more snow and mixed precipitation. Showers extended from Kansas City and up toward Nebraska, and also over toward Wyoming, Idaho, Washington State, Seattle, Washington, all the way back down into Northern California. A few little snow showers around the central California area, around the mountain chain area, and also a little bit over Arizona and New Mexico as well. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Like these videos, share these videos, and subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Have a great evening. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. And we'll catch you back in the next one.